by Nikki. It's crazy to think that we have spent almost 7 years together. From the day one, I felt like I've known you my whole life. We have been through so much and accomplished so much. I often look back and have to remind myself just how far we've come. Even in our most difficult times, I knew in my soul we were meant to be together, and I could never imagine my life without you by my side. I promise to wake up every day and never forget this, to cherish this relationship above all other things in my life. I promise to hold you and protect you when you need me most and even when you don't. I vow to hold sacred our marriage, to let our love flourish, and to build a home and family that values this above all else. I promise to be your biggest fan, even if that's bias, and I vow that even though I am biased, I will always tell you the truth. Nikki, you are my partner in crime, my ride or die, my soulmate, my one true love. I don't know what I would do without you, and better yet, it's something I never want to think about. I'm giving all of me and the man that I am to you, and I promise I will be there forever. Every time you look at your ring, I want you to remember these words and these promises and this day. Nikki Loren, I do, I have, and I always will love you to the moon and back.
Stefan, I really don't know how I can put into words how much you mean to me. I believe everything happens for a reason. The universe has an incredible way of bringing to you exactly what you need, exactly when you need it. You've shown me what it feels like to be loved unconditionally, trust someone completely, and be supported fully. I love everything we've become because of each other. I love everything we've been able to accomplish, and I love everything I know we will continue to achieve. Because of you, I am constantly excited for the future. I promise to keep growing with you, to be better for you, to be better with you, and to love you unconditionally, completely, fully, forever.